Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can check your mouse DPI settings on any of your Windows or any of your device. Now, first go to Start and here on the search icon, search for mouse setting. Here, then click on the mouse settings. Scroll down and find additional mouse settings. Tap on it. Here, go to pointer options and make sure this enhanced pointer precision is off. Click on this and make sure the blue tick is unticked and then click apply. Now, after you have done this, open any one of your browsers and search for DPI Analyzer. Here, click on the first link available. I'll leave the link down in the description. Once here, scroll down until you find the scale option. Here, set your target distance that you would like to go to scale and left click your mouse on this red mark and drag it to 1 inch. Now, you can measure 1 inch by marking regular ruler on your mouse. Now, you can see your actual DPI here. This way, you can find out your actual mouse DPI sensitivity. Hope this video was useful. Do not forget to like and subscribe and leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.